Lows in the mid-30s.
How's it going, everyone? EAS here. It's currently 8:14 p.m. as you can see, February the 9th, 2023.
Cloudy in the morning and becoming partly sunny.
Waiting on Gray to tone the New Hampshire RMT because I guess this month it's going over no weather review. And yeah. It's still 8:14 officially, but I want this to go off. Okay, just stand back up. Damn. Hello.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct the required monthly test. That concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System.
That was quick.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.
Alright.
For the 575 listening area, a winter weather advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following areas in New Hampshire: Northern Carroll, Northern Coas, Northern Grafton, Southern Coas, and Southern Grafton.
Well, that's unfortunate.
The National Weather Service in Gray,
Oh, look at that, they
has
repeated.
activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct the required monthly test. That concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System. Here are the 8 p.m. reports from around New England. In New Hampshire, in Manchester, light rain was
Why didn't this go off?
was 38 degrees, the dew point 34, giving a relative humidity of 85%. The wind was southeast.
Okay, I guess the fucking HH just didn't want to go off. But we can summarize what did go off. Max Digital went off. First alert I've caught on the Max Digital. Get the scrolls. That was kind of a shitty capture, I apologize. Okay, I guess I just can't turn on the backlight. Sanjian's unplugged this. This, I guess, is just having reception issues out of nowhere because I checked it literally 5 minutes before the test and it was perfectly fine where it's at.
Chance of precipitation.
So I don't know what that's all about. WR30 got it. I think you could kind of hear the test beep that the WR30 actually has. 400 got it. And this is the only radio up here on this shelf that's turned on. What is going on with the reception? Anyway, 1650C got it. Uh, 991 got it. Zone Guard got it. I'll be getting a new Zone Guard actually because as you can see the buttons are just so that unresponsive. So I purchased a new one and that should be coming in. Nice green beacon. 996 got it. This thing has never failed to capture an alert correctly. I turned this guy on. As you can see, it did get it. Turn it off. 259 got it. turn this guy off too. $5.19 got it. For the first time in forever, the HH failed.
Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles.
Guess it just has shit reception. Everything has shit reception for no apparent reason all of a sudden. WX150 got it. And 301 got it. Alright. Well, that was kind of a shitty capture, but there you have it though.
50%. Monday night.
I see now it's fine.
Lows and
That's just a lie. Looks like I gotta find a new spot for that, but yeah. There you have it, y'all. There you have it.